music go? There you go. What are we working on today? I kind of want to embark on a side quest today. Of an overlay for like right above my head. I want to get like a like goal, like just 10 likes for today, right, for the stream. But I want it to be live, and I think we can do that via a local HTML file with a Google script. But we're just gonna try and one-shot it with an LLM. So I'm gonna start VS Code. I'm gonna do a new window and gonna open a folder, new folder, local. I'll open that and oops. We'll create a new folder in here called streaming, and then we'll just start. Today is an even day, so we'll be using Codex, but I kind of want to save my Codex credits for the Soku stuff, so we'll start in Claude first. I feel like that music is loud in my ears. So let's start in Claude. The problem is, I think I always do that. Yeah. So let's just see. I'm running OBS Studio for my streaming, my YouTube live streaming, and I want to display the live like count of the stream, and I want to set a live or a like goal for the stream. And so what I want to do is why? Okay. Use the OBS browser source and paste in a local HTML file that will then display the live like count and then the goal count. So I want to create that file under the streaming folder in this repository. Embarking on a side quest today. We'll do, we'll go over here and YouTube metrics, doink, and we'll do a local file. Use query params. Without editing. Goal video stream, hard code in the HTML. Yeah, we'll do the query params. Yes. Submit answers. all I'm trying to do is get the light count to display in semi-real time in a kind of a cool way. We'll start off obviously with just some basic white text probably, and then we'll go from there. We'll say yes. Light goal. Now I want to say it's going to use the, yes, this is exactly what I thought it was going to use. So I would need to paste in the video ID, live light count, oh, I need an API key. I forgot about that. So how often will this pull for new likes? Oh, 15 seconds. I don't even have to do that. All right, so let's go in. I'm going to do this off screen actually because API keys. Let's go into YouTube, console, and yeah, I know. We'll go, yeah, I guess in the variant, and then APIs. I just need, is it credentials, just an API key? Heads up your locals. I don't think it has to do with anything. Yeah, well, I'm not gonna go all day, doofus. Okay. Enable the Google Cloud Console. I'm there over here already. And then create an API key. YouTube data API. YouTube data API v3. It's probably already enabled. Oh no, it's not. Okay. And oops. Dismiss. I need an API key. We'll just say streaming YouTube tricks, streaming YouTube, streaming metrics, application restrictions, none. Oops. YouTube data API v3, create, and my API key, I can probably just hard code the API key instead of getting it from the parameters. Or wait, there's a second one. Actually, instead of using the parameters, I'll likely just hard code the API key and video ID because they'll change every day that I start streaming. And yeah. Instead of hard coding the API key directly in the script, I need to do an environment variable so that it stays hidden. Yeah, we'll do this off screen real quick. API key, and then the video ID, I guess. It's gonna be this one, video underscore, oh, that's why. Cancel, go away. No. Local file. Can go into cgarc local streaming like goal overlay. So it's going to be starting off at least. We can't see it, and it's going to go like down here or something. Let's see. I need to go back into the video ID and save that. And go back here. Let's see if that works. How do I know? Oh. How do I see how big it is? Ah. 100 might be a little ambitious for the origins of my streaming. 100 likes. We'll dial it back to 10, I think. Where's all the hundreds? Like goal is 10. Goal is to get 10 likes for the stream. Right? Is that updated over here? It's so small on my OBS, I can't even see it. I'll probably have to reload. I think that should have changed it. I gotta do some of this stuff off screen because my API key's in there, which is annoying, but go over here real quick. I'm doing a side quest right now, trying to get live YouTube metrics, so like likes and views and stuff. I'm just starting out with likes before I start coding for the day. Config.local, so I'm using, oh, there's the goal, I was wondering. So did that change it instantly? Can't see. I might have to. I think I should have changed it. Still 100. I can't even see what it says. Y'all can't see my OBS screen, but I feel like right here or something. It still says 100 though, and I changed it to 10, so that's confusing. Do I need to like reload it? That would not make sense to me. I've loaded the script into OBS, but I had to change the config from 100 likes for the goal to 10, but it doesn't seem to be updating in OBS. I've not worked on this before, so this is interesting. Yeah, I know. That's I removed. I don't need this. I can delete that. I don't know why it gave me the example. It gave me the real one. Shut down the source. Refresh the browser when the scene becomes active. Refresh the scene? How do you refresh the scene? There is no refresh scene button on the browser. I bet if I just add another one it'll work, which annoys me, but browser, local file, stream overlay. Hello? Hello? Does that show 10? Can't see it. Yeah, see, that shows 10. Whatever, yeah, we'll just delete this one. Remove. Yes. Now I wonder if someone like myself were to like. This better not be the same dude. No. If someone like myself were to go in and like my own video, I wonder if it would show up in there. Because it is on a poller and it polls every 15 seconds, I want to say. So if I go in and slap a like on my own video, maybe it'll show up, which would be dope. And side quests would be complete. gave it a like ski, and no like appeared. So, oh, it did show up. Nice. Side quest complete. That's really funny. It has a cool like little status bar on the bottom too, dude. I don't know. It's the small things in life for me. It's the small things in life. Anyways, side quest complete. Getting my own little like metric on there. That makes me happy for whatever reason. Like I've built I think that's like a lesson in coding and like building stuff in general. It's like, dude, if you're going through the monotony of building and creating things that you've always done in the past, and it just gets boring. At least it's this way for me. And like I tend to like go through the same motions, build the same kind of things, the same kind of CRUD apps, whatever, like create, read, update, delete, or whatever. But the moment like you do something new, you get like this high, like this dopamine rush. And like I'll be smiling about that for whatever reason. Like this is so simple thing. I'll be smiling about that all day long. I don't know. It's the simple things in life, dude. Anyways, side quest complete. We'll go ahead and minimize this project. I actually do want to I do want to change it. Below the status bar, I want, or maybe above the heart and the like count and like goal. I actually don't know where. On the with space in between, to the right of the like count and like goal, I want it to have the text in glowing cyan blue of like goal, daily like goal. And then also change the status bar from the Claude orange to a neon blue as well, because cyan is one of my favorite colors. I do wish that I didn't have to load the thing every time though, so I should have probably changed the heart color too, but white's fine. But yeah, side quest pretty much complete. Daily like goal of, or adding that script into OBS with a daily like goal of 10 whole likes, dude. Makes me smile a little bit. Just slightly. I think that I can, oh no. Where'd you go? Dude, literally, I think I have to turn that off, dude. Because, what just happened? Dude, what just happened? So confused.